Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video. Tesla is announcing officially the launch of the robo-taxi. And Tesla is saying we are not this is not just about the technology. We are starting a new book. A new book.
After 8 days of wins for the tech sector, one tech name that is under pressure this morning is Tesla. That stock is moving to the downside here after down a little over 1.25% after our next guest lowered his price target on the name based on some new calculations for the company's robo-taxi program. Joining us now to discuss, we have Tom Narayan. He's RBC Capital Markets lead equity analyst for Global Autos. Tom, thanks so much for being here with us to discuss your decision here. Talk to me about the single biggest driver of this price target change for you when it comes to Tesla.
Yeah, there are really two things. The first thing is we looked at what pricing would be in a world of robo-taxis, and we realized with working with our internet team who covers the ride-hailing companies, Uber and Lyft, et cetera, that pricing will actually be lower. It'll come down as this will be a regulated industry. So we lowered our pricing. The second thing is we increased the value that we think will go to those companies, the app companies, the Ubers, the Lyfts, as a higher revenue share percentage than what I was assuming previously. So it's really those two things that lowered the Tesla-specific robo-taxi valuation. But we still love robo-taxis, and we still think it's going to be the biggest contributor for value for Tesla.
By when, Tom?
Well, my valuation, I think you guys remember, is based off 2040, and then I discounted back. But I do think...
Where did this guy come from? All of a sudden it was this chick, and then they switched her. But yeah, so yeah, I mean, it's gonna see. I think this is more like a long-term shift in our society. I think driverless cars will most likely eventually become a thing. But yeah, I don't think it's going to happen very soon, but I do think eventually this is kind of the long-term game plan.
Yeah.
So I don't know, just kind of an interesting thing to kind of look at it so far. So